Welcome to our beginner's guide to meditation, where we will explore techniques for relaxation and mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help you reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and promote overall well-being. Let's get into some techniques. First, find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension as you continue to breathe deeply. Imagine yourself in a peaceful setting, such as a quiet beach or a serene forest. Visualize the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the present moment. Next, try a body scan meditation. Starting from your toes, bring your awareness to each part of your body, one at a time, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. With each breath, allow these areas to relax and release. Finally, practice mindfulness meditation by simply observing your thoughts without judgment. Notice when your mind wanders and gently bring your focus back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. Remember, meditation is a skill that takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself to fully experience the benefits of this ancient practice. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards relaxation and mindfulness. May you find peace and tranquility in each moment. Until next time.